Here's how to play Valorant on GameHub. So the first thing that you're going to do is on the PC emulator of your PC device or any device that you have, click on the import PC games. And then once you have already import the PC games that you have downloaded, now what you need to do is to click on the Valorant. After clicking the Valorant, what you need to do is to click on the open file location. So right click the Valorant and then double click it and then click on the open file location. Now, once you click on the open file location, you will be able to see there the Riot Games .exe. So click on that since the Valorant is located in there, and then click the Valorant as the server of the file. Now once you click on the Valorant on the server of the file, this will appear on your screen. Now click on the Run Compatibility Troubleshooter, and then previously Valorant will run on your PC GameHub.